So, here's a question to start. Is living longer just about extending someone else's life, almost like carrying another's destiny forward?
I don't think so. Longevity isn't about borrowing another's life. It's about having something meaningful to do yourself.
Right? Just existing, eating, sleeping, waiting for time to pass. That's not really living.
Exactly. If someone reaches 90 but spends each day with no purpose, that can feel more like a burden than a blessing.
That's tough to hear, but true. Have you ever seen someone who lives long but without work or passion?
Yes, and it's heartbreaking. Sometimes they say nothing, just tears. Living without purpose can feel like a quiet kind of hell.
So then, the real challenge is, how do we avoid that?
We need to keep doing something meaningful, even when we're older. Not physical labor, but guiding, teaching, offering wisdom.
Like becoming a living compass for younger generations.
Yes. When elders share knowledge with patients, young people lean in to listen. That makes them essential, not a burden.
But when they don't, families can suffer. Sometimes one person's lack of purpose can weigh down a whole household.
True. A daughter or a son may sacrifice their own life just to care for them, losing their own path.
That sounds almost like two lives being wasted, not just one.
Exactly. That's why elders need to reflect. Am I a guiding pillar here, or am I just occupying space?
That's a hard but necessary question. It's not about disrespect, it's about responsibility.
Yes, respect should be earned through wisdom, not demanded simply by age.
And yet, when an elder lives with purpose, it's beautiful. They become like a lamp, giving light until their final day.
That's the image I love. A person who keeps their spirit alive, eyes bright, never letting their inner flame die out.
So in the end, longevity itself isn't the goal. It's living with intention that makes age sacred.
Exactly. We should all ask, am I doing something valuable now? Am I keeping my spirit awake?
If the answer is yes, then long life becomes a gift. If not, it risks turning into a burden.
And maybe that's the lesson. Not to fear aging, but to fear losing purpose.
I like that. So maybe the better question is, how will we keep our purpose alive, no matter how many years we get?
That's the question each of us has to answer before time answers for us.